What's going on, everybody? So it's been a while since I made a video sharing results. So I pulled an update this morning and I just wanted to share the results with y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Buddy, just pulling a few updates this morning. This is the first one. They had 12 items deleted. Score went up 32 points on Equifax, 149 points on Experian, and 9 points on TransUnion. Now this is just the first round. They just signed up with me. And let's look and see what was deleted. Bank of America, Barclays, another Bank of America, another Barclays, Midland Credit Management, 2 different accounts on all 3 bureaus. Sync Bank or Synchrony Bank, and then TD Bank on Experian. Experian is completely clean after round 1, which I gotta be honest, that's very rare. I've seen Equifax, occasionally TransUnion, but hardly ever do you see Experian clean after the first round. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.